Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is not going to be a tutorial. It is a small collective haul video of a couple things that I purchased over the past couple of weeks, and I want to share with you guys. So hopefully this video won't be too loud. We already got a couple of instructions. You want to say hi? Okay, let me see. This is my son Franco. He was eating some Doritos, that's why he's all dirty. Alright, go. Next. Come on. Come say hi quick. I don't want this video to be too long. Come on. And this. Tell him who you are.
I'm Aaron.
You're Aaron. You gonna let mommy film?
This is my mommy. My mom is calling me. She called me the daughter.
Yeah, you're my daughter. Yeah. Alright. Bye.
Bye.
Okay, yeah, so they wanted their little moment in the spotlight here. So let's just go ahead and get into the video. So, okay, so the first thing that I'm going to share with you guys is this Wet n Wild eyeshadow palette that I purchased. This one is called Nude Awakening. And I purchased this one because I wanted to have something to carry in my purse. Because I don't always have time to do my makeup before I head out, which I never do my makeup for work anyway, but I wanted to carry something in my purse, so I got this one. And I've already used it actually, and it's pretty good. I really like it. And then along with that, for the same purpose, I purchased this Sonia Kashuk little travel brush set. And it comes with 5 brushes, which I've already used them all too, well except this one, but I've used these and they're very soft and they really blend very well. And I actually use this one to blend out that brown that you see on my eyeshadow today. So I got that. And I also purchased this blush because as you guys know, or if you don't know, I have a BH Cosmetics 10 blush palette, which I use a lot, but I wanted something different. So I purchased this Milani blush, and it's in Blossom Time Rose. This is what the blush looks like, and it's really pretty. I'm actually wearing it. It's very soft, subtle. So I got that. Then I also purchased this NYX 3-Step to Sculpt because I want to learn a little more on because mainly I like to focus on my eyes, you know, but I want to know or learn how to do the rest of the I want to learn how to do like the rest of the face, like contouring and all that stuff. So I bought this one. So yeah, I've been using it quite a bit, the highlight and this for under the eyes. But this I've kind of stayed away from because I'm still kind of scared of the bronzer. I don't know. I'm afraid I'm going to end up looking weird. But I'm going to try to figure out how to use this properly. And the next thing I'm going to show you guys is this is a Rimmel London Brow This Way. And I've already used this also, as you can see, but I actually purchased a new one because this one is too light for my eyebrows. This one is in the blonde, which I didn't think it was going to be, you know, it looks pretty brown on here, but it does come off a little lighter. So, but I'm going to keep it because, you know, when I do my sister's eyebrows or whatever, I can use this on her or anybody else, you know. So this, I'm not going to throw it away because it works well. It's just that it doesn't match my eyebrows. So then on the eyebrow theme, I purchased this Wet n Wild Ultimate Brow Kit. And I'm actually using it on my eyebrows today, and I really like the way it worked. It didn't leave my eyebrows too dark. I was able to build it up, you know, to where I wanted it. And I just used this little brush that comes with it. And I use this shade here. And it comes with like a waxy thing, but I don't really feel the need to use that. And then it also, I was pretty surprised because it comes with a little mirror. If you pull it off here, it comes with a little mirror. Pretty neat. Son, move out of the way, please. So the eyeliner that I have been using is the Tarte gel liner, which it works well, but I'm not like a huge fan of, mainly because I don't know, honestly, like it doesn't come off as dark as I would like it to. Like you really have to build on it. So I'm gonna discard that because I don't like it as much as I, you know, considering how much it cost, it wasn't the best. Okay, so the next product I'm going to show you is this Also Wet n Wild. Apparently I've been digging Wet n Wild lately. I got the liquid liners. I've used, before I had the Tarte one, and which other one was I using before? The Smashbox one. I had been on the Wet n Wild ones for a long time, but I kind of wanted to try different things, so I ventured off and tried other things, but I came back to these because I really like them. So I got the black, the darkest one they have, and I purchased it in the regular and also in the waterproof. So this is what they look like. And I like these because they're very easy to apply and they come off really dark. I'm not using that today, but I'll show you what I'm using on my eyes in a minute. So this one I bought the waterproof because I'm going to be going to a like a water park next weekend. So I want to wear something on my face, you know. But I don't want it too smudged. So this is what I'm going to be using. And then on the theme of the waterproof, on the waterproof thing, I purchased this Great Lash Mascara, which is also waterproof, and it's going to be used for that same day. So that's why I got that. On my eyes, on my eyeliner today, I'm using this tattoo liner, which is Trooper Black by Kat Von D, which is also new, but this I got for my birthday from Sephora, which I thought was pretty cool. And the tip is really... Okay. So along with this, I got this gift from Sephora too. Some powder from Kat Von D too, which I haven't used, but feels pretty soft. So that's that. Also purchased this 24-hour Super Stay Full Coverage Foundation from Maybelline. I already have the other, I use Maybelline foundation. I really like it, but this girl at work with the other day, she was wearing this foundation. It looks super nice on her. I said, what are you wearing, girl? It looks really nice. And she said that she was wearing this one, so I thought I'd purchase it and give it a try. It is more full coverage. I've never tried like a full coverage foundation, so we'll see how this one works out. I don't know if it's a little too light for my skin, but we'll check it out. And this is in the 302 Sun Beige. And then the last three things that I bought. So the thing is, my nails always look like crap. Like, I never take time to do my nails. I've tried the acrylics, which they look really nice, but I don't have time to be like refilling them. I don't have the budget to be spending every month $25 on getting my nails done. And I'm not a big fan of polish because it always chips. Like, and you know. Yes, hold on. So I'm gonna show you my nails, but this is already like a week after they've been on. Okay, normally my nails do not last this long without chipping. Like, they barely started chipping, and I attribute it to, like I said, before this, I usually like a day or two in, they're already like chipping. Okay, and I said I need to try something to keep my nails nice, which I need to redo anyway. But I purchased this. First of all, I'm sorry, I purchased a polish, right? So I got this Sally Hansen Hard as Nails Extreme Wear. So I bought this, and then I purchased this Onyx Professional Nail Dryer, and you kind of just spray it on your nail after you apply the polish, right? So I did it. I sprayed it twice, and they really like dried very well. Like, not instantly, it's not an instant fix, but I did let them dry for like 30 minutes. Like, I was just kind of like this because I always like end up messing them up, and then they lasted almost like a whole week without chipping. So if you are looking for something that's going to help you with that problem, I recommend this. And I got this at my grocery store. I don't know if they said it at Walmart or anything, but it was only like $1.50. And it smells like coconut, so hopefully from now on I'll keep up with my nails and they'll look nice. So I'm going to redo them. And of course, I bought nail polish remover, which is also a from my local grocery store from H-E-B. I bought the cheapest one because it's just nail polish remover. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I just want to share with you guys the things that I purchased, because I know I haven't uploaded a video. So it's been almost a week. I've been trying to do once a week, but today I wasn't really in the mood to film a tutorial. I just wanted to get ready, get the day started, and film this video. And again, I want to thank you guys for watching my videos, for commenting, liking, subscribing. and for sharing my stuff. I'm going to leave my link down below for my Instagram and my Facebook if you guys want to follow me on there, add me as a friend. And that's pretty much it. I hope you guys have a great weekend, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.